So I live in Texas, you guys should all know, but I'm going to Abilene, West Texas. Like, kind of like this. It's like in West Texas, which is kind of like, this type of Texas. But yeah, let's get into it.
Johnny's in the basement mixing up the medicine. I'm on the pavement thinking about the government. The man in a trench coat, badge out, laid off, says he's got a bad cough, wants to get it paid off. Look out, kid, it's something you did. God knows when, but you're doing it again. You better duck down the alleyway looking for a new friend. The man in a coonskin cap and a pig pen wants $11 bills. You only got 10. Maggie comes fleet-foot, face full of black soot, talking at the heat, put plants in the bed, but the phone's tapped anyway. Maggie says the men say they must bust an early man. Orders from the DA, look out kid, don't matter what you did. Walk on your tiptoes, don't tie no bows. Better stay away from those that carry around a fire hose. Keep a clean nose, wash the plain clothes. You don't need a weatherman to know which way the wind blows. Oh, get sick, get well, hang around the inkwell, hang bell, hard to tell if anything is gonna sell. Try hard, get bought, get back, ride rail, get jail, jump bail, join the army if you fail. Look out, kid, you're gonna get hit by losers, cheaters, six-time users, hanging around the theaters. Girl by the whirlpools, looking for a new fool. Don't follow leaders, or watch your parking meters. Oh, get born, keep warm, short pants, romance. Learn to dance, get dressed, get blessed. Try to be success, please her, please him. Buy gifts, don't steal, don't live. 20 years of schooling and they put you on the day shift. Look out, kid, they keep it all hid. Better jump down a manhole, light yourself a candle. Don't wear sandals, try to forge a scandal. Don't wanna be a bum, you better chew gum. The pump don't work cause the vandals took the handle.
So we can figure out if you got everything in there. You might not have a blanket.
That's what I see.
So I want to find that out because
Some water.
I like to keep it cold and sweet.
I got 160 acres in the valley, got 160 acres of the best. Got an old stove there that'll cook 3 squares and a bunk where I can lay me down to rest. Up at dawn to greet the sun, I've forgotten what a care or worry means. Head for home when day is done, with my pocket money.
Good morning. Also, I forgot to show you this on the tour. Red's working.
Oh, I know. I also didn't want two dies.
They have corn syrups. Probably gonna cut most of this out. This only
What?
See if they have those
Well, I'm just gonna have to fill it up with ice and then go back and get.
see if they have those fireballs.
To the town of our Frio rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say.
They don't have everything. It's fun. Mine. Mike is half a little.
It was made for that chocolate bread.
Alright, I guess I'll try it for the first time. Pretty good.
I got 160 acres in the valley. Got 160 acres of the best. Got an old stove there that'll cook 3 squares and a bunk where I can lay me down to rest. Up at dawn to greet the sun, I've forgotten what a care or worry means. Head for home when day is done, with my pocket money jingling in my jeans. I've got 160 acres full of sunshine, got 160 million stars above. Got an old paid horse, I'm the guy who's boss on the 160 acres that I love. Up at dawn to greet the sun, I've forgotten what a care or worry means. Head for home when day is done, with my pocket money jingling in my jeans. I've got 160 acres full of sunshine, got 160 million stars above. Got an old paid horse, I'm the guy who's boss on the 160 acres that I love. Got an old paid horse, I'm the guy who's boss on the 160 acres that I love. To the town of our Frio rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make a slip. The stranger there among them had a big iron on his hip, big iron on his hip. It was early in the morning when he rode into the town. He came riding from the south side, slowly looking all around. He's an outlaw, loose and running, came the whisper from each lip, and he's here to do some business with a big iron on his hip, big iron on his hip. In this town there lived an outlaw by the name of Texas Red. Many men had tried to take him, and that many men were dead. He was vicious and a killer, though a youth of 24, and the notches on his pistol numbered 1 in 9. An Arizona Ranger wouldn't be too long in town. He came here to take an outlaw back alive or maybe dead, and he said it didn't matter, he was after Texas Red, after Texas